And this is the finished?
Yeah, should be.
You just put a little notch right here?
Yeah, a little notch right there.
There you go.
And so, basically, I can't go all the way because I still got to take a little bit off of there. So this is the way that's going to look. It's going to look like this, and this is going to look like that, and this is going to go in here. But you see, it can't go all the way, so I got to take that much off the end. But you see how that doesn't interfere anymore? I could have taken off a lot less, but I guess I did what I did, right?
Yeah, it's looking good.
Yeah. I could probably put the screw back in.
Yeah.
If I want.
Yeah.
Okay. We didn't show that, did we?
So the shaft is a little
bit too long, yeah.
Is that measurement critical, or you just take out a little
Take it off a little bit, almost as little as I can. It showed that it was a little over a 16th. So this is about probably total of an 8th, because I got the width of the blade. Probably a 16th right there. And we still have our locking space. And then I'm going to pick up this garbage. That area, like over there. So it's basically, I'm going to delineate it with, like this. I'm going to go here, 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 here. So basically no further than that. And we can take a X-Acto something and get that out of there. Get our X-Acto knife, big fat one, just go down like that. Now it's foam, so it's relatively easy to cut.
Right.
Now, the last time I did this plastic part was melted from the melting of that thing.
Oh, wow.
And I had to grind it down so that the thing would sit. It didn't want to sit down.
Ooh.
So it was a big deal. So anyway.
You had to replace it all, right?
Well, no, I just ground it down. This plastic part.
Yeah.
It was deformed from the heat of the thing melting in its presence. It was like mounted to it, and it melted right through the wing. I had a hole in the wing on the other side. So here we have, you know, this is the hardest part about this is not hard at all.
Yeah.
But the hardest part was just like figuring out what it needed, and. Get this tighter. Let's see if we can go all the way down. Rock and roll. There you go. There you go. Oh, I made it right through the wing, didn't I?
Oh, look at that.
I'm going to have to patch that. Didn't know how far down to go. Well, we can come in from the top. It's silver. I'll just save that piece. I'll save that piece and plug it down. Didn't know it was that close, but it was.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, that's my finger. Okay, so let's see if we can get that thing in there, and okay, where is that deal? Okay, so we have the. Now we're all the way down, see?
Yeah, do that again.
Mm-hmm. Sitting pretty there.
A lot better.
Okay, so I'm going to go get some, what do you call it? Loctite?
Okay.
And put it on these set screws.
Those two, yeah.
This is not the right one, is it? It's one of these. Yeah, that's it. No, that's not it. Oh, come on. That's it. Okay. I'm going to go get some Loctite. I'm going to go get some shrink tube. And then we're going to set that in. And I'm also going to get